Daniel.
Yeah, Prophet Daniel, congratulations.
Okay, guys, 19 out of 50.
Huh? Sa atin, 30 yan sa atin. 30 yan sa atin, 34. 34. No, 34 ata yan sa atin. Joke. 34 pa basta 30, around 30 yan sa atin. Parang ganun kasi marami sa yung name ng Joseph. Ah, congrats! Woo! Congratulations!
Okay, next is Prophet Joel.
Woo! Congrats!
Okay, members, participants.
Awarding. Guess who's the winner?
Prophet Jonah.
Woo! Nanalo si yung dala ni Ate Ate Mila. Congratulations. Nanalo na kami. Charot. Kami na ba ang champion? Charot. Sino kayang champion? Abangan.
Next is Prophet Hosea. Sisters, please come forward. Prophet Hosea.
Dapat kasali ang proctor. Di ba? Mamaya. Kasali ka mamaya sa pag yung pricing ba, dapat kasali ang proctor. Sige lang, sabay na natin sila. Sila lang.
Please be ready. Prophet Jeremiah for next.
Yay! Congratulations!
Prophet Jeremiah. Be ready also, Prophet Mika.
Prophet Mika! Huh? Ano daw? Sikan na tayo. Sino number 1?
Next is Prophet Zechariah. Sorry. Prophet Mika. Please be ready, Prophet Zechariah. You're the next.
Sikan daw tayo.
Prophet Maria, please come forward. And then followed by Prophet Miriam, please be prepared. Prophet Miriam. Next, Prophet Miriam, please.
Okay, we have 3 groups. 3 groups that are not yet been named. So we will request the 3 groups. So please form a line on this part.
3 groups! Dito na tayo sa 3 groups! Okay, picture mo kami. I-live mo lang, i-live mo lang, i-live. Ano, naka-live lang yan, naka-live yan na. Ano kami, naka-live yan.
Okay, we are now in the 3rd place. Okay, the 3rd place, gathering an average of 32 points. Team Prophet Malakali.
Galing naman. Hindi ka nasama sa Tanawag na kasi kami lang. Tapos to tayo. Tapos to tayo.
And for the second place, I have 34 points. It's Team Prophet Haggai. And for the first place,
Team Haggai, come forward. Gathering an average of 32 points. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our bride here for this afternoon, Diamond Queens. Those who the 26 points out of 50.
Oh, sa ano kasi kami?
Our group champion.
Ano mo yung ano? Sayang na! Okay lang, almost. Congrats! We're second! Second kami! Bible encounter here is...
My dear sisters, pwede mamaya po yung picture natin. Congratulations to all of you. We have this award from one of the
Galing na ba? Ay, 2 points lang! 2 points lang ano!
Wala! Yung na-alternate kanina, nasagot natin 2 points. Nai-invite sa ating community, sa aming grupo. Hindi man siya ano lang, appreciation goes to Sister Jane Gerard.
Kanang kusog siya mo invite ba?
Ha?
Kanang kusog siya mo invite. Gi-surprise siya.
Kaubanan ninyo sana.
Oo, sabi ko. Kanang kung kayo siya mo invite o kanang bisag mo atin-atin ra, bisag bisita ra. Dagan siya.
Okay, congratulations to our winners.
Pa-picture daw.